As we know, symmetric key algorithms use the same key for encryption and decryption. This symmetric key or session key is used by both parties and must be shared ahead of time, which is why public key infrastructure is usually used. One of the most popular symmetric keying algorithms is the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES. AES was designed as a replacement for the Data Encryption Standard, DES, back in the late 1990s. And it's a very strong symmetric key encryption. It supports key size of 128, 192, and 256 bits. It's used by the U.S. federal government, and it's mandated for most federal government encryption techniques or uses. So AES uses the Rin-Dale algorithm, which is an algorithm that was put in contention back when a replacement for DES was trying to be decided upon. Though most people would say that something's encrypted using AES, that's true. It's encrypted using the algorithm itself is Rin-Dale, which is, we don't need to get into Rin-Dale. But AES, very strong encryption algorithm. It can be used as a block cipher or a stream cipher. A block cipher will encrypt blocks of data, while a stream cipher will encrypt a continuous stream of data. So when it comes to encrypting data in transit, AES can be used to encrypt data in transit. It also can be used, and it's very good at encrypting data at rest, or data stored on a database or on a file system, what have you. Files and folders can be encrypted very well with AES, as well as AES can be also used for encrypting data in motion. Twofish and Blowfish. Twofish was created as another algorithm to try and replace DES, but AES and the Rin-Dale algorithm were chosen over Twofish. Twofish was still an excellent algorithm, though, and its creator, Bruce Schneier, decided to take Twofish and use it to create Blowfish, which is an open source symmetric key algorithm that you'll find a lot of times in Unix and Linux devices. Blowfish supports many different key sizes, and it's often found, again, with those Linux distributions, because it's open source. It's very comparable, I'd say, to AES.